pero as much as possible, most of the time. Pero, ako hindi. Ako kasi I'm very particular with the food I eat. Talagang pinapanood ko, and then monitor ko, and then I make it as a routine. And then not only that I do it, tinitingnan ko rin kung what's the best food for me. Like for example, what's the best breakfast for me, what's the best lunch for me. And then kasi in my case I'm diabetic, so double effort ako dun sa pagmo-monitor ng pagkain. The importance, I think, for us as athletes is that I think it really makes a difference kapag kunyari yung food na kinakain mo, like for example, a person A and a person B, mas healthy yung kinakain ng person A. There's a difference when it comes to competition. And at the same time, yung mental toughness, kasi it affects also the like how you think it, like how you react to situations, like and then how you survive the training, and then how you survive the whole program. Exercise na ginagawa ko. Okay, so number one is playing basketball. Okay, that's a form of exercise already. And then aside from basketball, we do have weightlifting program, and then aqua training, and then conditioning, mostly our runnings and footworks and jumping.
Ano sa pala?
I think for us athletes, it prepares us to our competition, and then I'm not just referring to athletes, I'm referring to the whole like generation. Like, for example, the whole youth. Like it prepares us also to like when we reach the like the stage where yung medyo mahirapan na tayong medyo yung tumatanda. Kasi in most cases kasi kung yung ibang tao kasi kung saan lang nila napifeel na parang medyo doon na yung tumatama yung sakit sa kanila, and then kung saan medyo yung matandaan sila, doon pa lang sila mag-react. And unlike us athletes, we parang kami, we're doing it in the long term, and then we do it as a hobby. And so kaya medyo kaya pagdating namin on that certain age, medyo normal na siya sa amin, hindi siya sa amin parang sapilitan. So parang it becomes like part of us.
Syempre, minomonitor namin. Kasi, yun nga, kailangan healthy foods yung kinakain namin. Kasi, parang lumalabas yun sa way ng performance namin. So, kailangan din talaga minomonitor yun. Yun nga, just by eating healthy foods, parang meron kaming nutritionist trainer, parang sinasabi niya kung ano yung mga dapat kainin. So, yun nga, less pork siguro. Iba-iba, meron kaming conditioning, meron kaming weight program. So, parang mixed din every day. So, siguro yun nga, pagdating ng competition, parang physically fit kami, and yun, protects us from injuries, pinapalakas yung body namin.